Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm still your humble host, Saints Media. Today I'll be giving you recaps of what happened in the BBNaija reunion day 2. Dorothy blasts Watoni while Katrina exposes Ozo. The fire we have been waiting for on the BBNaija 2020 reunion has started burning on the second day of the show. Dorothy was the person to ignite the fire, and she was able to burn whosoever that dared her rage. The show host Ebuka Obi Uchendu was the man that started shaking tables when he asked about the triangle or possible squares situationship between Dorothy, Nengi, Ozo and Prince. In Ozo's attempt to answer, he claimed that he never had a thing for Dorothy because he saw her as a G he could always approach with issues on his mind. Katrina, the acclaimed boss lady, saw the need to jump into the conversation, with her saying Ozo liked the personality in Dorothy, but not the physical appearance. Since the contribution was going round, Watoni also jumped in, but that did not end up well for her. That was because Watoni claimed Dorothy had feelings for Ozo, but she's only trying to deny it. She was not alone in this because Nengi also thinks so. At this point, Patient was not going to cut it for Dorothy again as she blasted Watoni and she stopped her from contributing in the matter that does not concern her. While the fire was about to raise the studio, Katrina made more revelation exposing Ozo. According to her, Ozo had a plan with her during the last Saturday party the evicted housemates were invited to make Nengi jealous. She added that Ozo was in her hotel room earlier and he was not happy about how Nengi treated him and wanted revenge. Katrina also revealed that Ozo told her that his family members were not happy with him about how he was all over Nengi instead of selling himself on the show. Now this revelation were too deep and Ozo couldn't take it anymore, so he cut in and denied all Katrina's claims. The boss lady did not hide her disappointment in Ozo for denying their revenge plans, so she added that Ozo never loved Nengi or Dorothy, but he merely used them for the game. You would recall how Katrina and Ozo danced immediately during the said party and refused to make eye contact with Nengi, resulting in her famous BBNaija crying season. Stay tuned as I give you more gist.